For those of you who are here for the first time, let me give you a brief explanation of why I'm here, what I do. I give every single letter a number. It shows up in different numeric fashions. In the regular alphabet that we all know as A1 and Z26, we have Chaldean, which is A1, and then it ends at 8, but it is not Z. That it is FP, that is 88. OZ is 77. 66 is U, V, and W. 55 is EN and H. 50, anyways, and etc. So I do that, and then there's gematria, which works 1 through 7 through 1, then 1 through 7 through 1. What I do is I give every single word and every single letter a number, and then I connect it to other words. I work in with sports, how sports work, sports timing, etc. So in this video, I just want to work on certain things that I've got through sports, as division, conference, etc. And another reason I do this is for the first 5 years I was only writing, and I decided that no matter who it gets out to into the aether, I like to believe, or I need to believe because I don't know of the unknown, that once you speak, that it goes out there and it arrives somewhere into the matrix. And if there's a God that is created, no matter what, we are documented. We are only a cell, that we are connected to a higher source. So whatever thought we have, even private sources, goes out to a higher cell for, I think, what they call something to do with the adjustment of the human soul. So in this over here, we have the word sport. The first two letters here are inverted of each other. 16 and 19 are inverted in the 36 numbers, and the 36 numbers of 360 degrees of rotation. S and P, that is total of 35, 50, 68, 78, 88. Sport is 88. I like to divide everything in creation by what is 8 and 8, because 8 and 8 mathematically will set back to be 8. 8 and 8 is 64. 8 plus 8 is 16, and this total is 80. When you put sports to it, it becomes 99, and that is now Jupiter. It is the highest number you can get, starting at 0, 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 99, and 99 to 100. The numbers that we see is to the left of the number, to the right of the number, to me is the whole number. So we're going to start here at 99, and then we're really going to go to 10, what is it, 1099 to, actually it's 91 to 99.9. Is that the way it is? 91 to 99.9? Trying to, anyways, just leave that alone. Actually, it's 108. Plus 8, right? Plus 8 is 107. So this is the configuration. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it has to go to 108. It has to be a total of 18 total. It's actually 17, but it's 18 total because you need an in-between of that 99. So if I use the smaller number, let's say 19, I'd go plus 8, I'd go minus 8, right? But it's minus 8 plus 1. How can I describe that? I need a total of 18, right? But the 18th, you're starting over again. And it's the same thing for years. If we go in 2005, and let's say it's a Tuesday, okay, and it's May 5th, right? In 2000, if I get this right, the 17 years later, in 2022, it'll be a Tuesday on May 5th. So now that I made a long story, 101, the division, it's a division between the 7th gate, which is 6 and 8. When you look at two dice cubes, the flip side of 8 is 6. It's 101 away from 7. If we go with 26, the reverse side is 51. If we go with 42, the reverse side is 35. So that is the 101 away from the 7th gate. The word conference is 88, but we have to separate our syllables inside the word. We can also use other
realities or other combinations that go with, like conference, we also have interference. So when we have the word interference, inter, okay, could be a rip noted as a tear or a tear, which is also an I, and tear is in French, the sound of it, meaning earth. Okay, ference can also be a fence that is put up in between. The word east also represents the spade. And inside of east, you also have west. You have west, which is 67, which is also another word to be soul, water. North can also be electric. South, I forget the numeric value, is also can be gold, is number 38. When you have close, it could be love, it could be the sun, it is the IT system. When you have up, I do not remember what goes with this. 3 goes with down, in, and all these words. This is wolf, goes with also number 56. Just to note that the word matter is 77, as so is Christ, 77. Candle and angel are both 39. Stick and queen are both 62. The inverted 62, 26 equals to 88. And that is the gateway we are within, the gateway of Pegasus. Go 22 plus R equals to 40, 49, 59, 69, 73, and 1 is 74. Gorilla also goes to Jesus. Ape is 22. 8 plus 52 equals to 74. 22 ape plus 52 earth equals to 74 Jesus and energy. So this is what the story is telling us. The American flag is showing us the arrangement of 5, 6, and 6, 5, 9, 11 on the flag. The word drug is 50. The word sex is 48. The word sun is also 48. So is the word ring, 48. And the word pole, 48. 84 is Pluto. That is the 9th planet, the planet of Earth. And it'll create the division of night and day because of the mathematics that will create this numeric value, that will create this numeric value, that will create this number. This is 1/3. This is one third of the equation. This is 2/3 of the equation. The cube is split up into 3 areas. The dividing gate, 6 and 1, 7 and 8. If you take a look at the deck of cards, 2 times 4, 6, 2 plus 4, 8. This cube divides on 86. House planet, electric company. 35 and 75 equals to 1, 1. That is the heart of an area space. Why is it a heart of an area space? 101, let me explain, what did I say? Yes, because the division between 6 and 8 is 7. So when you see the percentage sign, right, you can almost go like that and like that, right? And you're actually looking, basically, at what is drawn right into the picture as 7 and 7, and connected to it is just C and C. This design over here is connected into it. Almost looks like the 2 or the Z. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video. Oh yes, when it comes to pi, I take the basics of pi, I multiply it by 3, and I come up with this number, making pi more manageable to find a repetition within it. This is double pi. It's also telling me about the cycle and the cube. And if you notice, 28 and 21 is 94. 2 and 8 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 and 1 is 3. So as like 14 and 15 is 29, 5 is 6, 5 and 1 is 6, 1 and 4 is 5. Thank you for watching this video. Art, math, alphabet. For me, so far, my find, everything is absolutely perfect.